I have a question, guys.
What?
Who birthday today?
Oliva.
What is your mama name?
But Oliva.
Okay.
Oh, the candle. Can we in essence blow candle? Please?
What?
Can we in essence blow candle?
Okay, mundirimbire rero. Guys, mundirimbire.
Wait. Essence, I blow and you cut, okay? No, okay. Then why you have a knife? You like...
Guys.
Okay. Happy birthday to you.
To
Happy
me.
birthday
To me.
Happy birthday to
To me.
Oliva.
Oliva, mama love you.
Happy birthday to you.
Why not say you love me?
I love you.
I love you
I
too.
blow you cut.
Oh, guys, wait. I have a problem. I have question for Vanessa and the Essence.
What?
Who like cake?
Me.
Esther, go here.
I'm going this one. No, the blue one. I'm going to blow you.
Guys, I have a question.
What? What are these? Wait, what's it?
So right now I speak Kinyarwanda, okay?
Bingo. Yes, Adi.
Vanessa witwa nde?
Mom, pretty Vanessa.
Essence witwa nde?
Essence pretty. Essence pretty.
Essence pretty?
No, my name is Vanessa.
Where is the Essence last name?
I don't know.
Is it Amelia?
Amalia and
Amelia. So guys, I have a kibazo kimwe. Where is your daddy name?
Gabriel.
Eh. Mbega abakobwa.
Gabriel got daddy.
I know. No, Gabriel is daddy, no name. You say daddy.
Okay.
Where is your name, daddy?
Daddy.
Where is the name? Yitwa nde?
Gabriel.
No, another one.
Bear.
You don't know name your daddy.
Gabriel got bear.
Gabriel Kobe. Essence, come cut.
No. What? Now
Essence.
can I blow? Or
Essence.
can I- What?
Vanessa wiga mu wa kangahe?
6.
Wiga mu wa kangahe?
6.
Where is the 6? Kinyarwanda.
1, 2, 3. Wait.
Is gatandatu.
Ingo.
Say gatandatu.
Gatandatu.
Okay, say rimwe, kabiri, gatatu. And then you finish to cut cake.
No, I'm going to blow and essence.
Okay, try. No.
Oh.
Rimwe, kabiri, gatatu,
What?
kane, gatanu.
Oh, okay.
Ngaho bara.
I forgot.
Bara rimwe.
Fire.
No, rimwe,
Dimye.
kabiri,
Kabri.
gatatu,
Katatu.
kane,
Kane.
gatanu,
Katano.
gatandatu,
Katanatu.
karindwi,
Karige.
umunani,
Nane.
icyenda,
Tenda.
icumi.
Itum.
Again. Rimwe,
Dime. Tano.
okay. Ngaho bara mu cyongereza. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8.
No, 8 is the 8. 9.
Okay.
10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Siete.
7.
9. 9. 9. Where is the language? Icyo kilanguage ni ikihe?
One.
Icyo kilanguage ni ikihe? Ese. Yes, way.
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna fly up.